So today I'm going to show you how to add additional bank accounts on file inside of your Novo Business Bank account. So if you need to either transfer money in or from those other bank accounts, I'm going to show you how to do just that. So from this screen, there's a couple different sections that you can go to, but we're just going to go ahead and go to the section that says add money here on the left-hand side, or you can click on the add money here, depending if you have this box available for you, as these can be customizable. So for our example, we're going to click on add money here on the left-hand side. Now here on this screen, before you do anything in this section here, we actually want to look over here to our left-hand side, and you're going to see over here where it says manage bank accounts. Let's go ahead and click on this. Now from here, this is where you're going to be able to see all the accounts that you have available for you. So you can see here, we have a couple different ones currently available for us. And here towards the very bottom, you can go ahead and add an account. Let's go ahead and click on here. And then right over here, this is where you're going to go ahead and be able to link any of your accounts directly with Plaid, which will give you instant connection right away. So from here, we're going to go ahead and click at the bottom in the blue box where it says link account with Plaid. So from this screen, if you've already used Plaid before, you can go ahead and enter in your phone number to make things a little bit faster, or for the future, if you want to continue to have instant connections. If not, you can go ahead and continue down here at the bottom that says continue as guest. Either option is going to take you to this screen right over here where you can go ahead and choose whichever financial institution you would like. These are some of the most popular. Or you can go ahead and type in over here at the very top, whichever bank you use. No matter which bank you choose, it's going to either have a pop-up menu or within the web browser you were already on, it will have you log in with your username and password for your actual bank account that you want to log into. So that's your username and password. You're going to sign in. You're going to choose which bank you want to go ahead and connect with, and then have that added into your Novo Business Bank account. And once you've fully connected your account, you're going to get back over here to your managed bank accounts, and you'll see your new account on file. Now, once you have that fully connected, you're now able to either withdraw money into that bank account or pull money from that account into your Novo Business Banking. And what's great is that we have both options on how to do either one of those right over here on screen, so you can learn more when it comes to your Novo account.